Hi, my name is Viviana Rodriguez. I am 27 years old. I graphic design of professional. When I finished school in 2008, I was 18 years old and I was thinking how to make my dreams come true without having a stable job. My family working make clothes for school and my aunt was studying an enterprise and my made uniform too. I deciding to work on time in order to get some money and learn dream making on the way. Uh, she's my aunt. I working to improve my life quality and study one. I love it design. I now I have the ability to learn quickly and face new challenges. And just 2 months I was working on that years old. 1 year, 1 years, and I could save some money to start my dream. Eh, Unfortunately, education in our country is expensive, so I have to take a technical studying first. Going to bed very late, really without stopping, investigating the hardened part while working and student at the same time. Luckily, my jobs was close to the university and that may helping. I have time for doing my homework and study for the exam. For example, some time of the university. I got to finish a quality successfully the stand of personal and professional challenge. Homework to achieve my goal. I needed a stable and better pay job, so I studied look for it. I entered a multinational company, Shelley and Carvajal, one of the biggest in graphic industry, biggest. Um, and Carvajal, sorry, and Carvajal, there were professionals who were very motivated about crediting new generationality of ideas people for the industries. I was working in paradise of creative and graphic communication. My dream was finality finding its way for this working elaborated of for Carvajal is a programmation, design, illustrator. I am still working to never walk up from this dream to learn and teach at where the full world of design, human made, failed, and we are able to creative better world it is a ghost host made of ideas. I graduation of the technical and graphic design. Finally, achieved it. Bye bye.